Wait a minute, are you kidding me?
Whoa, oh yeah, yeah. Whoa, what up, the potato? Whoa, 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 what up, the potato? Whoa. Wait a minute, are you kidding me? Wow, bacon wrapped stuffed pork tenderloin. Now you're talking, Buzz Cooks is bringing you this amazing stuff.
All right, let's get right into this pork tenderloin. Stuffing first. Romano cheese grated, about quarter cup. About a quarter cup of dried parsley. Tablespoon or two of granulated onion. And we're going to come back with some paprika, about a tablespoon or so. Some freshly ground black pepper. And a little bit of salt. We've added the granulated garlic, 3 cloves minced. We'll put in some olive oil, about a quarter cup of breadcrumbs, and then we'll get in there and get this mixed up real good. And once it's all mixed up, we're just going to set this aside and work on our pork tenderloin. So while I'm finishing this up, please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family all about the show. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. And if you have the option to hype the video, I'd appreciate it. And leave a comment. It also helps with the algorithm of YouTube. More people can get out there and see it. So that's what you're looking for right there. That's the beautiful stuffing. All right, we're going to get our pork tenderloin out. And with our small little paring knife, we're going to cut down nice and gently, right down the middle. And we'll go back and we'll slowly do it again. We want to go about 3/4 of the way down. You don't want to go all the way down and break through the backside of the pork tenderloin. So take your time, be very easy, and just open her up, just like that. From one end to the other, 3/4 of the way down. Now we'll spread it open, and we'll get our stuffing that we just made, and we're going to load this baby up with all that beautiful stuffing, right in the middle, just like that. Take your time, spread it in there, press it down just a bit. Oh, perfect. So once we have this pork all stuffed, we're going to take out some thick sliced bacon. You could also use thin, but I think the thick holds up a little better to keeping the pork nice and tight without splitting as it cooks. But we're going to take the slices and spread them out to the exact width of or length of the pork tenderloin. So when we set the pork tenderloin down, you'll see all those slices, and then one slice cut in half that's sticking out on the ends. So set it just right there in the middle like so. And then we'll take the ends, take those slices right up the middle, just like so. And then we're just going to wrap it, one piece at a time. Just like that, just like a ribbon. And that's going to hold all that stuffing in place while it cooks. And going to keep that pork super juicy and tender. So just take your time, get all that bacon wrapped nice and tight. And what I like to do, once I have it wrapped like this, just to make sure nothing moves, is I grab some toothpicks and I'll press those toothpicks in to each strip of bacon, just to hold everybody in place while it cooks, because meat does like to expand, bacon likes to retract, so this way everything will stay nice and tight. So I've got my oven preheated at 375 degrees. And we're just going to pop this baby. We're going to put it on a cookie rack on a sheet and then pop it into the oven for 1 hour at 375. Then we're going to pull it out and going to pull those toothpicks out. And then we're going to put a little bit of honey on top and use our brush to spread that honey real nice over the bacon. And we'll pop it back in the oven for about another 8 minutes. Then pull it out again, let it rest 5 minutes, and we'll slice this up, and you have an amazing, delicious pork tenderloin. I don't think anyone's ever had something so good. Hey, make this. Your family's going to love it. You're going to love it. And we'll see you on the next show. And remember, like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Whoa. What up, yo, potato? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What up, the potato? Whoa. Wait a minute, are you kidding me? Wild bacon wrapped stuffed pork tenderloin. Now you're talking, Buzz Cooks is bringing you this amazing stuffed pork tenderloin. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a show. New videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Now let's get cooking. The stuff. First stuffing, grated Romano cheese, some parsley if you please, 3 cloves of garlic minced, a little onion powder, a touch of paprika, some breadcrumbs, a splash of olive oil. Don't forget salt and pepper. Now mix, mix. Grab that pork tenderloin. Lord, grab that pork tender. Now grab pork tenderloin. Here's where you gotta be gentle. Take your knife and cut down the middle, nice and slow. Take your time, cut about 3/4 down, then open that pork up nice and wide. Fill it up with that stuffing, then set it aside. Now grab about a pound of bacon. Slice will do just fine. Lay those strips out flat, same length as the pork. Set that pork right on top and wrap it up tight and firm with that bacon. Oven preheated to 375. Bake that pork for about 1 hour. Then pull it out and paint it with honey. Back in the oven.